Jack Dorsey, the Twitter owner, and the Twitter International as a company for actively sponsoring and supporting the EndSARS movement by encouraging funding for this movement that have resulted into serious catastrophe for the country. I'm sure most of you are aware of what is happening. Now we have several uprisings in the country. Destruction of so many lives and properties is ongoing, and therefore we are calling on Jack Dorsey to come and pay Nigerian government $1 billion in compensation for all the damages that he caused this country. And also, we knew exactly the kind of script they play in other countries when they intervene using their social platform. So for his gross abuse of privilege, because he is a platform owner where most of the gullible Nigerians have joined and have been actively patronizing and supporting him, he went ahead, tweeted that people should donate to a Bitcoin account, an account that is untrackable. To us, the end game is to topple the government, democratically elected government of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So as a patriotic citizen, I cannot sit and wait and see our country degenerate like the way we have in Libya, the way we've seen now in Egypt, when it turned out to be a graveyard. We cannot allow those kind of damages to happen in Nigeria. And that is why we are here to call on him to make sure that he comply with to come and pay Nigerian government $1 billion and settlement for all the damages that is caused in this country. And for him to continue to operate in the Nigerian internet space, he has to open a company in Nigeria, employ local labor, pay local tax, and submit all the evils or all the bad acting that is happening at the back end of the Twitter to the responded authorities. And that is why if you look at our responded, we call on the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to use his constitutional power to stop this protest from going on, because we cannot afford to have innocent citizens being prevented from actively participating in their fundamental human rights. And you can see we are even calling Attorney General of the Federation, National Security Advisor, Inspector General, DSS. Copies are going to be shared with you. So that is exactly why we are here.
Now, what assurance do you have that Twitter...
For that place, I beg, if you dey inside secretariat, make we respect ourselves. We don't stay here as you dey like this. We pin. Yes, inside secretariat, we pin. I beg, nobody fit comot us for where we dey. Make we dey. Nobody fit do wetin. Nobody fit do wetin. Nobody fit do wetin. They fit comot you for here. They fit comot you for here. The best wonder. They fit comot you for here. The best wonder. No, you go say you pin. They fit comot you for here. I pin. You think they fit comot you for here? Allah. They fit comot you for here. Power. So in that case, let us keep maintaining peace and order. Okay, we've also found another driver's license. This one, I go call your name because if you come here, I go see if it's not you. If your name now Olutayo Emmanuel. Olutayo Emmanuel. Please reach me in the front here. So please, make we dey maintain peace. They go. I beg. Now God, I use beg you. If now wood, if now iron, you they worship. I beg. I use and beg you. No follow anybody fight. As you tell like this, me and you they suffer the same suffer together. No be so. If police won't be slap me, they not go ask me. Waiting be my name. They go ask you for your name. They go ask you which state you come from. They go ask you if you be Christian or Muslim. Then why we won't fight each other? They not go ask you for your identity. They not go ask you which church or which mashalashi you dey worship every Friday. They go brutalize you, irrespective of who you be. They don't even send you if you get money or you don't get money. They go slap you. So I beg you, I plead with you now. Make we not fight with each other. I beg. Make we not do anything. Fight with each other. All of us dey like this. All of us, we dey together. We be waiting. One. We be waiting. Raise your fist up like this. If you like fella, raise your fist up like this. If you like fella, raise your fist up like this. Let me tell you one brief story about fella. Fella, they always sing about bad governance for this country till he die. Make you take no one thing. If anybody talks say they rebellious, they send fella make you go school, make you go study medicine. Wait till you go study music. Wait till you go study. Now one stage of rebellion be that. They tell fella, say fella, you, your mama, your papa, they get money, you get influence, you get level, you sabi people. No sing about the government again. But what if fella they do? They sing about the things where they happen for the government. Imagine the time when fella don't die. till now, the country never still better. Which day the country won better? Which day the country won better? Make I tell you something. You get one song where DJ they always play for here. Idris Abdulkarim, Jaga Jaga. Who sabi the song? If you sabi, say, sing am. Wait. You see? DJ, give me that song a bit. Let me put know.
Stop chasing reality. 204, I'm Kikari. Nigeria, Jaga. Everything scatter. For one day, suffer. Don't shut it up.
Hold the DJ. Who know when Idris Abdulkarim sing this song? Who know the year when he sing this song? 2002 till 2020. How many years? Pikin when they born for 2002. No, wait. Make I talk something. Make I use Nondos. Let it talk. You know what I mean? No, but I never talk about it go sweet my belly. But see when they born 2002 till now. You know they do it. No, you know they do it. You know they fall. Do you like batting? If they born you for 2002 and now 2020 be this, you would have been 18 years of age. But guess what? Idris Abdulkarim, who is still alive, he sang a song in 2002 that says that Nigeria Jaga Jaga, everything's kata. So now Nigeria not over Jaga Jaga. Na lie. Even when Idris they sing that song, I ask myself, how the country take be like that? When we say Idris sing the song. Now, if Idris enter studio, what do you go sing? If Idris Abdulkarim enter studio, what do you go sing? Country waiting. Nigeria condemn. Nigeria no go condemn because we will dey here. Now make Nigeria no condemn. Now why we waiting dey here? Now make Nigeria no condemn. Now why we waiting? Now make Nigeria no condemn. Now why we waiting? So Nigeria no go condemn. Now why young people like yourself, like myself, stand up, come out, make our voices count, make our own presence be noted. Say enough is a what? Enough is enough. Enough is what? Enough is what? Enough is what? Sorosoke! You know what's in there? That's Sorosoke slang. We don't turn them to casual slang. But now Luther slang. Shall you get? So if we talk and make we do like this. Sorosoke! If you like say the people where they in a food they want chop, una they hungry. Let me ask them, una they hungry. Sorosoke! Anytime where anybody talks Sorosoke, do like this. Wait. Because na voice of a Luther. Na voice of what? And you know what? When the Aluta people, when they say Aluta continua, what is the next thing? Victoria Asata. So when they say Aluta continua, in case you do not know what that means, it means the struggle continues, victory is certain. And this is a battle that we are sure of victory. Are we together? So Aluta continua. My people know they hear. Una don't sleep. They use Aluta continua. Aluta continua. The people where they back, they don't sleep. See that guy don't sleep. Aluta continua. You see that man they don't sleep. That one open flag, he don't sleep. Aluta continua. The people at the back, Aluta continua. The people over there, Aluta continua. The people at the food stand, the people where they have food stand, I beg. No be food we come here and chop. Everybody get food for house where they go chop. The hunger whether they knock us since never kill anybody. You kill anybody. As a day like this, I never chop for like 2 days. Because hunger no they keep person. Hunger no they do it. Nobody they have hunger. Nobody sing we be this so. Hunger no they do it. Make I tell you now something. Nigeria go kill you before Corona kill you. What I talk? Nigeria go kill you before waiting. Corona kill you.
Police go kill you before Corona. Police kill past Corona.
See, bad government go kill you before Corona go do it. Kill you. So I beg una, make una no rush for food. Make una no rush for water. No be waiting we can't do for here be that. Now why we make sure say no be party we can't do for here. Like I talked earlier, If you want do party, go club. If you want party, do it. If you want party, make na echo and if you want party, if you want do party, shrine no far from here. If you use leg arm, you go do alright. You go shamaya. Oh yeah, clubs yapa for here. Clubs there around there, plenty. Rhapsody dey here. If you want club, go. If you want party, go club. This place no be party ground. I beg, na protest waiting ground. Na protest waiting. One of my comrades dey here. He want address us as well. So I go give him the mic now. Okay.
There you have it, guys. These guys are not backing down anytime soon.
Okay. Let me correct a misinterpretation.
They've been singing. They've been chanting.
Make I correct something.
And they are still here.
If we don't organize ourselves,
Alausa, Lagos State Assembly Complex, Alausa Ikeja.
We want to make it plumb. We want to make things plumb. Look your neighbor, say neighbor. I want Nigeria to be better. Look your neighbor, say neighbor. Nigeria go better. The reason why we put down that tent now because of say some of us they fight for food and it's not supposed to be so. Some of us they fight for food. No be food we can't chop for a year. No be drinks we can't chop for a year. I beg. Nobody, we don't need anybody make a fight for food. The food wey dey here, if you chop am, you go shit. By night you go do wetin? You go shit. So if you go shit food, it means say the food wey we say we need chop na make Nigeria dey wetin? Dey better. Because now forever, if you die, your children go dey. Make I tell you now one story. You see when I come out today, na personal struggle make me come out. Because if to say my papa and my mama don't fight, don't do this agitation, we no go dey this place. None of us go do anything dey this place. So because the older generation, they dey fear. You know what? But you dey fear. You know why? Make I tell you something. You see this generation. This government fucked with the wrong generation. This government they fucked with the young generation. This generation will not dey fear anybody. As today like this, now this generation, Hausa and Igbo they marry each other. They don't send if you be Hausa, I don't send if you be Igbo. I go marry you, provided I like you. This generation, I don't care if you be Christian or you be Muslim, I go do things with you. If you be Babalawo, I don't send, you don't consign me, I go do things with you. Now this generation, we don't care about tribalism again. I talk to you, no be so. This generation will not care about religion. You know what the leaders they use? They don't use religion. Say you won't follow that Muslim boy, no follow that Christian boy, no follow that Babalawo boy. But you don't know what life, the suffer, you touch both Christian and both Muslim. So everybody they do it in the suffer together. So this generation will not care about religion. So based on say we don't care about religion, nobody will divide us on that one. This generation will not care about ethnicity. You be Yoruba, you be Igbo, you be Hausa, you be Efik, you be Shekiri, you be Ijo, you be anything where you be. We are do what? We are one. Do like this. 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 Say we are one. Say we are one. Let people hear. Say we are one. Let people hear. Say we are one. Let people hear. Say we are one.
One Nigeria.
Yes. One Nigeria. When I say one Nigeria, I say progress. One Nigeria. One Nigeria. Now because we come through this progress, now why we come outside. So when I say one Nigeria, I say progress. One Nigeria. One Nigeria. This chairman they vex. What's happen now? You vex for Nigeria. My oga. One Nigeria now. No vex for Nigeria now. One Nigeria. One Nigeria. Do your fingers like this. I can't see you. Raise your fingers in the air. One Nigeria. One Nigeria. One Nigeria.
Valid experience. Valid experience.
Okay. So it's okay. So it's okay. Una don't tire. Say una don't tire. Now who go tire?
see, una sef don tire. Na who go tire? Na who go tire? Say na you go tire. So wetin we wan talk now be say, you see this my guy over there, he don try encourage us, no be small. So but now as him dey so he get some serious talk wey we get, say wey we gas what? We gas talk. Una know say for the past 2 weeks wey we don dey on top this barricade,